Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. The wind is blowing back here. I am outside filming today because I have a backyard update, which means the fact that I'm outside means that I have enough privacy to actually sit out here with some lights and not be like stared at, okay? Which is a good sign. That means we've made some progress. My contractor, he's on his way. He's probably gonna pull up like right this second, right?
Probably.
That's probably him right there.
That's how our day.
I hear a truck pulling up. Is it him?
Yeah.
It is. Anyways, my contractor just got here. We're going over stuff for the front yard, which I'm going to share with you guys everything that we're doing. But today I wanted to show you guys all the updates in the backyard. They're like really big, exciting steps. We poured the concrete, the wall got stuccoed, my fence went in, the gate's almost done. I have some new lights. I've started to get some furniture. I'm going to share all those things with you guys, all the new updates, and also my boards for all the outdoor furnishings and detail stuff that I have planned out. So pretty excited. I'm going to go talk to my contractor real quick. Do you think maybe he'll be in the video? I don't think he would do it, but I would like to try. Just want you guys to know it's 69 degrees and I am freezing my ass off right now. People on the East Coast are laughing at me. I know it. Isn't it cold? I think it's colder than 69. I think it's probably like 64. This feels like 64. We're starting over here. As you can tell, it's gotten a lot darker outside. My contractor just left. We had a meeting with him to go over the plans for the front yard. I'm trying to act like I'm not cold. All right, so first big, huge change in the backyard is we now have concrete. It was 2 full days of pouring. All the wood forming is still in right now. He's gonna be taking it out either this week or next week before we put in the pebbles. John and I are gonna go and look at different pebbles. I kinda wanna do something a little bit more of a contrasting color, something with darker than what it is now. I don't wanna do like white, you know, so that's kind of what I'm looking at. John and I are having, you know, we're still having the pebble off. We're still having the pebble off right now. That's gonna be coming in, but right now the concrete just good. The stairs out front are poured and they look incredible. I don't know why whoever put in the staircase prior did not put the staircase where we put it, is all I'm gonna say. It looks really, really good. It's really wide. It just goes right up to the front door. It looks way more grand. Even though we have a ranch style house, I feel like it adds just a little bit more of like an updated kind of modern vibe. I can't say vibe anymore. If I say vibe, call me out, please.
Take a shot.
Take a shot. No, we're not gonna be drinking, okay? There's no shots that are gonna be taken. We're gonna be doing board form planters, which is actually a really cool looking concrete finish. It looks almost like it's wood, so it kind of gives it a little bit more of a rustic feel. I have some photos where I saw they have a planter with like one tree, like kind of more branchy, maybe something lower and leafier in the middle, and then just something like kind of more of a statement, like skinny type of plant up at the top. We also got these rocking chairs. I think they're really cool. I wanted to do a rocking chair out front because I feel like it gives a really cozy, homey feeling, but I kind of want to do something a little bit more modernized. Like, could I find a more modern looking rocking chair? John said we have to have a throw on the chair because there was a throw in the image of the rocking chair. That's what sold it, really. Right? John wanted the throw. That's all we need to get is a throw. You know, some type of little table in between them just to give it a very cozy, homey, but still modernized touch. We did do a cool staggered pattern in the front yard that allows us to have a planting area in front of all the windows so we can do planting. It'll give a little bit of extra privacy. It's funny because in my head, I think hydrangeas, but everywhere else I see succulents. And it's just, what do you do? Now, after the concrete, I would say the next thing that we did has made the biggest transformation. Actually, I think this is actually the biggest transformation of the whole yard, and that would be the fence. Oh my gosh, I mean, look at it behind me. It is rich. This is the Ipe wood that we picked out. It's supposedly one of the best woods to have in an outdoor space.
That's what they say on the internet.
That's what the internet said. So, obviously it's true. I'm really happy with the way that it turned out, and it's just, this is the first time we've ever walked into our backyard and not seen people. I'm filming right now back here. Nobody can see me. I mean, I know they can hear me right now because I can hear them. But it's fine. So we did stagger the heights because we have a view out here and we wanted to make sure we maximized the view but still didn't see any of the street. They're almost done with the actual gate. Halfway there, there's only 3 slats on there. I just talked to him. I was like, what do I got to do to get the rest of this gate up, man? There is another area that I haven't shown in other backyard updates, it's a smaller area that's outside of our kitchen. It's a really weird shaped, it's like this shape right here. The French doors from my kitchen face this area, so it's like my main thing for that area was I want it to look really good because my kitchen faces it. So we added a deck there, and what I plan on doing there, I don't have a mood board for this space yet because I'm kind of waiting to vibe it out, but I want it to be more of like a conversation, like 2 chairs and a side table. There's also windows right over there that go into the garage, and I think under those I'm gonna put some planters. Maybe I'll have my hydrangea moment there. Maybe that'll be like my more traditional area. And then one other area that we're adding wood to kind of tie everything together is in the outdoor kitchen in the islands. They're putting it on either side of the island. So the reason there's black paint is that way with the gaps, you don't see the gray bricks that are behind it. After everything got poured, it's funny because the first time I showed it to you guys, a lot of people were like, wow, that's so tall. And now after the concrete got poured, it's actually a little bit short. I would say it's about 2 inches shorter than what we were anticipating. So it's been a little bit more challenging finding stools for that area. I might just get chairs. I think chairs would work at this point. Okay, so I'm loving picking the detail stuff for the house, and I decided to do new lights, new outdoor lights that are on the house. We had the gooseneck ones before, which I like gooseneck lights, but I feel like, you know, they have a time and a place. It was not in this house because they were so low and close to the doors. It just felt like an interrogation lamp. It felt like something that was gonna suck my brains out. I ordered 2 lights for right here on this double door outside, and I love them. I feel like they give more outward light now instead of before where it just kind of pointed down. But I found these on Wayfair, and I think they look super expensive. Our hillside is finally looking green. The only thing is they're weeds. So it's nice to see, even though they're weeds, I'm kind of okay with it because I'm like, it's still green. If those are gonna grow, it kind of looks like grass, doesn't it? It's a pretty weed. It's a nice weed.
Weeds get a bad rap.
They do get a bad rap. Another step that went in that I feel like made a huge difference, especially looking at the before pictures, I'm like, oh my gosh. The wall got stuccoed, and it's a smooth sand finish stucco. The color is so pretty. It's like this creamy, it's not bright white, which I actually really like. I love it. By the way, the wall behind me, that's still concrete, but that is gonna get that same stucco creamy white finish to it. So this area I want to share with you guys. We already ordered all the outdoor furniture, which was commitment, but I made a mood board for this area of kind of like the vibes that are going to be out here. We're going to have 4 large chairs facing inward, and then the fire pit is going to run along vertically in the area, so it's going to be kind of everybody facing in, and then a fire pit. And then I picked out these 2 really pretty natural jute looking, or they are jute poofs, to put right here, so that way it's kind of like an open area. And then I also got lanterns, different size lanterns to put on top of the step and then at the bottom of the step, just to add a little bit more warmth out here, a little twinkle. And then for the other area right outside of my office door, we decided to do an L-shaped sectional. So that's gonna be the vibe over there. It's kind of more just like sit, chill. That's probably gonna be like our daytime hangout if we're eating. We ordered these planters to put right outside of my office doors as well. Now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, oh, that's gonna look so cool under the new lights. I'm so excited. They're 2 troughs. So like a trough on one side, trough on the other side, and I'm thinking just like a sick ass succulent. Boom, boom, some flames. Anyway, you guys, so that's everything in the backyard. I'm just so excited about all the progress. I love sharing all the steps with you. It's such a huge transformation from the last video that I posted. I'm really excited about the direction things are going. I'm also really looking forward to the furniture coming in, picking out plants. I hope you guys enjoyed this progress video. The next one, we're gonna have blue water, promise you. That is it for today's update video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching.